Midnight window. Midnight window. Neon signs on the avenue flicker slow, just me and you. Empty streets, the world asleep, only echoes soft and deep. Coffee steam and vinyl sound, every thought keeps spinning around. Your name still on my window pane, like a trace that won't remain. Midnight window, I'm still awake. Dreams replay the moves we made, under lights that never fade. I'm chasing you through time and shade. Taxi lights and silver rain drip like songs that call your name. Passing trains hum low and blue, feels like they remember you. In this haze of city gold, memories feel warm, not cold. If I whisper through the glass, would you turn or let it pass? Midnight window, still the same. Every glow repeats your frame. Even silence hums your tune, like the city dreams of you. Maybe someday we'll rewind, meet again in another sign. Until then, I'll just remain watching.